Hey, good May Squad, it's Janice, and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully this video finds you wonderful, great, excellent spirits. So, guys, life has a tendency to just come at you out of nowhere, just straight out of left field. Like just when you think everything's good, you're vibing, everything's just going to plan, or it's getting towards the plan, you're good. Life's like, the Lord's like, oh, you poor delusional thing. No. Okay, and then he just drops a bomb on you, or just out of nowhere, you know? But the thing is, it all comes down to how you respond. Your response is everything. If you stay in a negative state of mind, negative mind frame, negative mood, you are not going to find a solution. You're not going to find a way out. And then you're going to start thinking about other things that add to the mood, and you're just going to continue to keep yourself just down and just not doing what you need to do. So yes, life will come at you crazy. Yes, take a moment if you need to cry, break down, do what you need to do, get angry. Don't hurt anybody. Don't hurt yourself. Get angry, whatever you need to do, take a moment to yourself, give yourself time to react, to process, and then come out of that. So come up with a game plan, think of what you need to do, what's a possible solution. There is one. There's always a solution. It may not be the one you want, but it's the one you gotta go with to get through whatever this obstacle that the Lord thought was funny, or the universe thought was funny, to put in your path. So we just can't let it just keep us down and bring us down. It's some situations are extremely sucky, and I know it's easier said than done, but I'm saying this to you because this happened to me today, and I'm not gonna let this win. I'm not gonna let this obstacle, this hardship, this kink, okay, in the plan, I'm not gonna let it just derail me and just throw me off of everything. I'm gonna put my big girl panties on, and I am determined to come up with a solution and to get myself back on track. So I encourage you to do the same thing. Okay, so we have got through our message. Second reason why we are here, yes, it's another review, guys. So I am going to review this unit that I'm currently rocking on my head right now. I'm being lazy and I don't feel like going to my normal recording area. So hopefully this, my keys are on the floor. Hopefully this translates well. Hopefully it's great lighting. I have a new unit. I come with a lot of new units for you guys. This is from Sensationnel. This is Selene from their Instant Fashion Wig. Jump from style to style at great value. Save up to 300, save up to 350 to 400 degrees. I am rocking the color Flamboyage, I believe, Mocha, and that's the stock card right there. I saw this on Wig Types, but I could not decide what color to get. Like, I went back and forth for days. I feel like I say this a lot, but I do, because I like color. So I go back and forth on the color, and I try not to get the same colors, but sometimes some colors, they're just my color, and I just like them. But I want to get different colors for you guys so you can experiment. And hey, like I always tell you, try something new. You might like it. It might be your new color. You never know. And it might not be. But at least you could say, I tried it. No. But you tried it. So she has two combs in the area right here. Earlier today at work, I did have bobby pins in just to make sure, because sometimes with these kind of plop and go wigs, they tend to recede back, even if I used adjustable straps. So I did not comb her. What I did was I just went through her with my fingers and kind of finger combed her just to show you guys what she looks like before brushing her out. I'm kind of scared to brush her out. I don't know, guys. I don't know. So the curls are weird. Like the curls, like they're curly here, but the front's kind of doing the Farrah Fawcett thing, but this back area, not so much. It's kind of like, I'm gonna do my own thing. So you gotta kind of grab it all at the same time to get it. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm saying, but I could be crazy. Let's talk about the cons. The cons are whatever these curls are doing in the back area. And I don't know if it's this particular color. I do have another color I'm gonna try on for you guys, so we're gonna compare and see. But it's like this side's doing something weird. Like it's like not the same as this side. Like this side's kind of full, kind of doing her thing, and this is kind of like pressed down. If y'all can see the difference, like this is kind of pressed in, like I applied gel right here or some type of pen. So IDK what's going on with that. And the bangs are weird too. And they're long. I didn't cut them yet. I wanted to show you guys again, fresh out of the pack, but they are long. And I don't want to like push the unit too far back because then she's not cute. Some units you can do that without cutting the bangs, but she is not one of those units. She doesn't come with like a faux scalp. See, now this is the time that a faux scalp would be required. It's not required, but it'd be really nice. Just so it looks more natural, so it doesn't look so instant hair, you know what I mean? So that would have been nice if they had put that right there. Not a deal breaker. I think she's still really cute. I was hoping she was just a tad bit longer because she looks a little bit longer on the stock card, but Sensationnel's been doing us like that lately, you know, selling us one thing, giving us another. But yeah, those are kind of the Connie, I guess you could say kind of cons on that. Now the pros, I do like this color. This I don't think I've had the Mocha before, so I kind of like this blonde streak going through here in the front. And it's like a 4. I would say the brown with it, the Mocha color is like on the 4 side, kind of between a 4 and a 2. So really pretty color. I'm gonna go ahead and brush her just so we can see, just so you guys can see. She does have some volume to her, and I can't decide if that's a good thing or a bad thing. Judgment call, you have to decide what's your preference. So like I said, it is heat safe. So if you want, you can apply a little bit of heat to kind of tame her on the sides if it's just too big and fluffy for you. Otherwise, you know, leave her as is and go about your business and do what you do. So let me switch colors and then we'll be done with this review. All right, squad, so this is Selene, the 1B color. And oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You can't tell me nothing in this 1B color. It's like, I don't want to say a whole 360, but she definitely, I feel like she is alive. She is she in this color. This is giving you like the true effect of Miss Selene right here. Like this, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I am loving this 1B. Like, the curls in the back are still doing that weird thing, like we don't know what we're doing. They just told us to be here. We're just extras. We showed up so we wouldn't get in trouble, so we wouldn't get fined. They're just back there doing their own thing, living their best life. The front still has a Farrah Fawcett curls going on, and oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It is crazy. Sometimes some units do just pop and come alive in certain colors, and I feel like Selene is one of those units. Like I am feeling her. Oh my god, guys, I'm just really mesmerized by this. Like, look how, real quick, this side is doing that weird, not as weird as the other color, but like the sides don't match. Like you see how pretty that curl is going right there, and this one's like straighter. I know that's something really nitpicky. Guys, excuse my background. The kids act like I didn't just tell them I'm recording. But it's just being nitpicky, but it's still not as bad as the other color. Oh, let me get off of here because these units, I mean, I don't have to style them or anything like that. I'm just going on and on. You can, let's see. I have styled like units like these. With these bang units You can do an updo. You can't tell me nothing, 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 nothing. I'm sorry, I'm goofy, sorry, guys, yeah. All right, squad, so did you pick up Selene? Oh, real quick, one more thing. So she's an instant wig, so she doesn't cost that much. So keep that in mind. I don't know if these are everyday use. I don't know how long they're going to last you. I wore the first color all day to work today. And she did start tangling at the nape area. Nothing too crazy though. I really try not to really mess with her. I just let her do her thing. So I don't know if you wear these every day, how long they're going to last, if they're going to start frizzing on you, if they're going to get too tangled. Just keep in mind they don't cost that much. And I know a lot of these wig companies are having sales that's going to drop the price even more. So keep that in mind. Maybe buy two before they sell out, if they haven't sold out already. Maybe you can do that. And then when one gets too ratty, even if you try to, wash it and it's still kind of you got to back up. All right, guys. So again, leave your thoughts down below. Hello to all my new subbies. Thank you so much for taking the time to join the squad. We welcome you with open, loving arms, positive energy. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. You don't need a refund. You don't need a stimulus. You don't need child support. You don't need anything. It's free. Go ahead and hit that button. I would greatly appreciate it. It really does mean a lot to me. Sharing is caring. As I said in my other video, Valentine's Day is coming up. Maybe you share my content with that special somebody. Let them know, okay, this is what I want. You don't need to worry and stress yourself out trying to figure out what to get me. You can just go ahead and give me this unit right here. Whether it's this video or my other videos, I would greatly appreciate it. We help each other. You know what I'm saying? You help me. I help you get the unit. It's like a perfect relationship. You know what I mean? Alright guys, let me go over here. It's late at night. I'm really goofy right now. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.